Welcome to Space and Tech Solutions, here over in Huddersfield. Big job. Church. Bit of Starlink up there. Long cable run. All the way into there. Runs in to the club that's underneath the church. Through there. Everything's set up. In there's 2 decos, and then come back out of there. There's a cable up there which serves the church with 2 decos in the church. From there, 2 more cables over the top and into the vicarage, which have its own separate network, and one over there to the church hall, because they will have dance classes. Coverage around the whole building is coming in at plus 250 meg. Need a professional installation over in Huddersfield? Feel free to get in touch.